Hey, Troy here. And if you are a home business owner, you've been trying to make money online for a while, but nothing seems to be working. You're joining all these different programs. I need you to pay very, very close attention to this video because 93% of people in the home business industry do not make a significant or even close to a full-time income. They don't know how to get traffic. They don't know how to get leads. They don't know how to close sales. And what Simple Commissions and Mailbot, which it is that I'm about to talk to you about, what this is, it's a problem solver, right? A lot of you right now watching this video, you probably fall into that 93% category. And if you're spending all day long, hours a day, trying to create posts that's going to attract people to your offers, maybe you're on social media engaging them in chats, what do you think is the last thing that these people are going to want to do if they already have a business? The last thing people are going to want to do is join another program. Why? They are trying to generate leads. They are trying to close sales for the programs that they're already currently involved in. So I'm going to share some statistics with you in the next couple of minutes from my very own dashboard, the last 2 weeks of results. And what is Simple Commissions? Simple Commissions is the opportunity. Mailbot is the product. And as it says, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. Automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. Now, why is this important? It's important because if you've been in this industry for anything longer than 30 or 45 days, you've probably heard the money is in the list, right? That means the money is in your email list, but in order to make money, you've got to be able to connect and build a relationship with your subscribers. This is the biggest reason why all those seven-figure income earners, multiple six-figure income earners that you follow their content, the reason why they're able to generate multiple sales a day is because they've got an email list that relates to them, and many of them have 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 subscribers. You probably don't have that. So what you're going to do is you're going to get access to this quick 3-minute video overview. And the most important thing on this page is right here, right? You want to experience Mailbot firsthand. So when you scroll this page, you watch that 3-minute video, you check out all that Mailbot can do by scrolling below. Once this video is over and you go to the dashboard, you go to the description below this video, then you're going to want to get your very own free demo by sending my Mailbot an email address. Put in your correct email. That's the only way you're going to learn more about this. Check your inbox in about 40-45 seconds later, and you're going to be able to interact with my Mailbot, right? You can ask it questions. Look, email marketing, most people don't know how to create engaging subject lines. They don't know how to create an email that is engaging enough where people are going to want to read it, and not only read it, but they're going to want to click on your network marketing or affiliate marketing link. That is the purpose of Mailbot. You collect $100 payments over and over and over again while promoting up to 3 different business opportunities, and it sends out emails on your behalf. But I want you to take a look at this. All right, so in the last 2 weeks, I've got 101 leads. 57 total members, 12 unsubscribers, and look at this. The conversion rate currently for me is 56.4. I blocked out all of this personal information over here. But look, I mean, prospect, joined, prospect, joined, prospect. Look, I don't care if you're buying traffic, you're spending money on solo ads, cost per click campaigns, Facebook ads. Tell me where you can come anywhere close to getting over a 50% conversion rate. And all that I'm doing really is I'm giving people a solution. I'm sharing with people how Mailbot and Simple Commissions can dramatically improve the results for their opportunity. So not only have I been completely blown away by this program, but I've got 3 different programs that I'm promoting using it. And guess what? Every day there's leads that are coming in. I'm getting traffic. People are clicking on my links. People are joining my other programs. Isn't that what it is that you want? Now, this question has come up occasionally, but not often. What if Mailbot doesn't have an answer when someone sends it an email and they have a question, right? So the system is set up to make your life easier, to interact with your leads. But what if it doesn't have an answer? Mailbot is going to send you an email to your Mailbot saying, hey, your prospect needs your attention. And then whatever question it is that that individual asks, like in this case, how do you get traffic to Mailbot? All I have to do is come down here, click on this reply to prospect button, and then I'll answer the email. So this is as automated an opportunity and system that you're going to see. It eliminates time wasters, tire kickers. If people are not serious, I want them to unsubscribe. Why would you want to interact with people that are not seriously interested in your offers? But it saves me time because I know that I'm dealing with people that are really, really on the ball. They're looking for help. They want to get traffic, leads, signups daily, make unlimited $100 commissions, and close sales for their current programs. Look, if you got some value from this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Once again, it's Troy. Check out the description to get access so that you can get your free demo. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.